The video shows you how to keep bougainvillea blooming or how to get more flowers on bougainvillea. The bougainvillea vine produces colorful flowers almost all year round if grown outdoors, under right growing conditions and care. In cooler climates, they will bloom only in summer. At the end of the video, I will give you a top tip forcing your bougainvillea to bloom. Follow this simple guide and your plant will flower heavily, year after year. The most common complaint on bougainvillea is that they stop flowering. Your bougainvillea plant may not bloom due to wrong type of soil, not enough sunlight, overwatering, overfeeding, heavy pruning or no pruning. Plant your bougainvillea in free-draining soil with no water retention to avoid root rot. Mix some coarse river sand in the potting media to make it well-draining. Also make the soil slightly acidic by adding some azalea potting mix or limestone or sulfur. Bougainvillea performs well in a small pot where its roots are restricted. When the roots begin to emerge from the bottom of the pot, then transfer it to a container one size larger. Ensure that the container has several drainage holes. Keep or plant your bougainvillea in a spot where at least 5 hours of direct sunlight comes, each day. If grown in shade or indoors, the plant will have vegetative growth with little or no bloom. Water only when you feel top 3-inch soil dry. Too much water will produce leafy growth and very less or no flowers. Cut all the flower spikes and prune each branch by a few inches, after the bougainvillea has finished blooming. This will promote new growth and flowering. Feed your plant every 3 weeks with a fertilizer high in potassium. Excessive nitrogen will produce more leaves and less flowers. If even after all the above care, your plant fails to bloom, then stop watering for a few weeks, then water the plant heavily. The plant's survival mechanism will produce heavy blooms to produce seeds. Please like and subscribe to the channel to know when the new videos are posted.